All right, I did not put this in the original video because I didn't have it yet, but this is the transponder bypass I was talking about. It is a box. You basically put another key in that has a chip. You put this around the lock cylinder like so. Oh, behind everything. It's going to be tucked in there. I think it goes right out here because that's where the chip is. And it just makes the remote starter think that there's a key here, when really it's here underneath the dash somewhere. And you just plug this into I'm guessing it's going to be power when the key is in the on and run position in the ground. So that's about it. I was going to wire it here, but they don't give you much length, and this is all moving parts when you shift. So I'm going to go fat finger, get out of the way, the other finger, up over that way, and that'll gain me some length. There is a shifter cable here, but as long as I avoid that, I should be good. Okay, so ground went to my alarm ground, same bolt I use, and I just have that back probed into the white wire for the alarm, which was power when I need it. Let's see how this starts. No key in the ignition. I have the stupid bypass ring, and everything else is hooked up. I think. Yeah, there we go. We'll kill it. All right. Let's try it again with the door closed. Door closed, locked like I would be in the house. And we press. I see the alarm light on the dash. Went steady and starts. Sweet. Guess I should have done that the other day.